Introducing the smoke detector Wi-Fi hidden camera. You can easily control your view through this smoke detector Wi-Fi camera directly on your mobile device anywhere in the world. Camera is hidden in a body of smoke detector, so no one will look twice. Simply turn the camera on or off by using the remote control, and battery will last up to 180 days in standby mode. The unassuming CCTV camera provides crystal clear 120-degree view of your home or office. Camera is controlled and accessed via smartphone app, so there is no need to touch the camera when it is in place. This smoke detector will continue to work even in dark, thanks to its night vision.